Hey
you just gotta
YouTube,
watch it.
what's up? I am chilling at home today, but I decided I'd hit you guys up. My puppy is eating puppy chow for the first time. There's Faith, just digging into the puppy chow. She is 1 month old. We did talk to the vet to see if they were old enough to start eating puppy chow, and they are. So we bought them some. This is her first time eating it. So she's having fun. It's so cute. Faith, is that good, honeys? Yeah, you're mommy's princess. That is so cute. Right.
I just heard something.
She just woke up, but yeah, she's a month old now. She's getting so big. Her full name is Faith Spirit Johnson. And yeah, she's going at that puppy chow. So it's so cute. Look at her. That's my baby. She's completely in the bowl now. So I'm gonna let her eat, but I decided, you guys might want to see my baby eating puppy chow for the first time. School's almost out, so I'll be able to do more videos. I'm planning a trip to Virginia, so I will hit you back with some more information as I get it. Bye. Deuces.